Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Windows Media Player not working problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Media Player in Installed Apps search bar, click 3 dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Media Player in search bar, click Uninstall. Open Microsoft Store. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.